Okay, so welcome to class. So this time around, we'll be looking at our Excel. So how to get to your Excel, you can come to your start button over here, and then it is part of my own pin software. That's because of how I've been using it. So for others, you can have it under your recommended and the likes, and then also you can come under your all, and then come under your letter E, and then you see your Excel there, depending on what you are using. This is Windows 11, so depending on the Windows you are using, so it depends. That's how it show how to bring it. For some of us, it put it under this pin and the likes. So you can always just bring it here. And then if it is not here, and let's say it is under here, you can also uh, put it there if you want. So you can just, can you see on pin from start, assuming it has not been pinned before, it will put a pin from start there. So for now it is on pin because I already have it there. So I can have it from there, and I can open my Excel. So so I am using Microsoft 365, and then this is the first interface that you will see on your Excel. So on this interface, this is your basic interface that shows you three tabs over here. By your left hand side, you have your home, you have your new, you have your open, and then you have some two tabs down here, also your account and your option. So under your home, you have quite some things. You have some. This is where this is the place that has your recent documents that you open on your Excel, your recent documents, and then also if you want to take a tour, if you want to look at some template, it also houses your template. So you can come under here and look at templates. So these templates are not always static. So you can always see new templates. Microsoft keep updating this. So you can, if you are planning a project, this is a project planner. If you need a customized to-do list for yourself without building from the scratch, this is it. Loan amortization schedule. You can do that here. Your employee absence schedule. If you're taking a loan and you want a simple loan calculator, this is over here. So you have quite some useful templates that you can actually use here for your work, your student schedule, your weekly attendance report, your sales invoice tracker for doing sales, your basic business invoice. If you want to create an invoice for your business, that you just, maybe if you are an online vendor, just want to prepare an invoice for your customer, printing it out and then sending it to them as an e-copy. You know, this is a good way to also brand your business. So this is a quick template that you can actually use your household monthly budget. So we have quite a lot of templates that you can actually make use of. So we consider them under the new. So for your open, if you have a file that you have on your laptop, so you can actually come here to open it. So your recent files will be here. So you can check out for your recent files over here. So see which of them you want to open. If it is not here, then you can come under your browse. So your browse will actually take you to your browse will actually take you back to your folder, yeah, so that you can pick any document that you want to open. So that is then if you are connecting to your OneDrive on this, that is all about that. So let's come back to our home, and then if you have some favorites, if you had some other favorites, you can always have it here. If you for the document that I shared with you through links and the likes, you can have some of them over here also. So since we are starting out on our Excel, so what we need to do is that we go to our blank workbook and then start from the scratch. Um, yeah, so I will close this because that is my own um, recovered file. So Excel has a way of actually recovering your Microsoft product generally. They have a way of actually helping you um, to recover your files in case you are not saving it. So it depends on the settings that you are putting under it. So this is what we call your Excel workbook. This is what we call your Excel workbook.